bitch spur. Hey, you ain't driving around the world. Hey, you ain't brown like a squirrel.
By the title of the video, we are here with the 335, and am I selling my car? And a lot of people are wondering what wheels I'm getting. And finally, I got the new wheels in.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
We got a minute left, boys. Countdown, countdown. Chill, bro. You're a fucking bitch. Like I was just saying, we did get some new wheels. The B-locks are in, but I am just trolling around. This is not the 100% new wheel setup. I'm still waiting on my fucking order from Weld. I guess they are on back order for the custom size, but they will be here hopefully by the beginning or middle of August. They said they'll ship out at the end of July, but they just keep putting them more on back order. But we did get some bead-locks. I got them for a little steal on Facebook. I probably will be selling them soon. Might put them on the new car. I will show the welds before I sell these, but comment below how you think they look on the 335, because everyone has been saying they look fucking awesome. Boost Mari, if you're watching this, I know you want them. There's a price on that head. Like I was saying, guys, I do have some unfortunate news for the 335. Seems after all the diagnosis and work we can do to figure out this misfire, we cannot find the fucking culprit for this shit, man. I really don't want to give up on the M55 community. I know a lot of people do look up to the build and want me to finish it, and more than you, I do myself all this time and money I have invested, but you just can't keep pouring so much time if it's not going to get the outcome I want. But I'm still going to go to Impact. I'm still going to keep working the best I can for this car, but if I can't get it to work, like I said, I will be having a new car coming soon. Like I said, I still will be going to Impact. I'm going to do all I can to figure out this fucking misfire, ask as much questions and try to get some help on it, but it just seems we cannot find out the cost of this fucking misfire, man. After just so much time and money, you just can't keep investing into something. As much as I want to figure out what's going on with it and get the goal I want to get, it's just seeming it's fucking impossible. It's just crazy that the car is pulling like a train first through third gear, but we just can't figure out why it keeps misfiring in fourth through eighth. Like I said, for anyone else who hasn't watched my previous videos, we still have the car misfired in fourth gear when we're in wide open throttle around 4,500 RPMs. We've swapped out all the injectors, coils, plugs to see if it's a different cylinder. It's not that, and we've also replaced injectors, coils, plugs, all that as well, and it's still misfiring. We've done a compression test on the cylinder and it comes back fine. So I don't really know what it could be, but it's just crazy. It's pulling hard first through third, all the way to 26 pounds. It's pulling great in third, but as soon as we get to fourth gear, it's just falling right on its face. Any idea what that could be pointing towards, let me know. I will be taking the 335 to Impact, and I'll be parked up next to Dr. Gore. I'm gonna put his ad on the screen below right here, and I'll be parked up with his tent. I'm gonna be trying to still race it and figure out this misfire, but there's just no point in bringing it on the track if I can't get past fourth fucking gear. I'm sorry for everyone I have let down that did want to see this car hit these numbers though, but there will be a lot of parts for sale if I do part it out. For anyone that is interested, make sure to just stay tuned to all the socials. It seems the M55 does not want us to win, everyone. And recently, if I've not said already, my tuner said the last result would be the crank reluctor and the crankshaft position sensor. And we dropped the whole transmission and we did the sensor and the reluctor, and still the same fucking misfire, man. So, but I really did want to set the goal with this 335. Trust me, I do not want to fucking sell this car. It is the last thing I want to do. It fucking makes me sick that I even have to sell it, because I really did want to set the world record for stock motor and stock trans F30 chassis 335, but it just seems it's going to be impossible. But for real, for everyone watching, comment below if you think I should keep trying to build the 335 and invest in all this time and money, or should I go ahead and just move on to a 3 Series, 340. But comment below what you think I should do.
It's a very hot street.
Bitch spur. Hey, you ain't driving around the world.
saw from them little pulls, it's definitely pulling first through third, but every time we hit fourth gear, it is still misfiring. It's pulling like a train, man. I just don't know why it would stop pulling in fourth gear. Like, it doesn't make sense. Whatever is causing it in fourth gear through eighth is weird, because it is pulling like a train first through third. As you can see, the police already got someone pulled over right there. I got someone pulled over right there. It's about our time to get out of here. Like I was saying, I am gonna do everything I can to get this car ready for impact, but it's just, I don't know what else we can do to get this to stop misfiring. But I will have a little montage in memory of all we have done with the 335. Put it on the screen now.
Swipe? What would you like today?
Man, look like Danny around down.
So we don't need the booze.
A little wicked in the back there. But hopefully we can fix it, and we're gonna go to impact and get as much help as we can. But if not, new build on the way. We might be joining the dark side. As you see, we did do the headlight intake giveaway, and we are not scamming. We're about to send this off right now. I just wanted to ship this out to somebody. Y'all guys don't check for anything like illegal before you ship it off, do you?
Check the box. He's asking about check it.
What is it?
I don't know. Got white powder.
We open it if we think you're suspicious.
Oh God, please don't do that.
That's why there's video and all this.
That's a screwdriver, man.
I did the screwdriver.
We can ship it for $199.13.
God dang.
Business spur. Hey, you
I didn't mean to be late to work today.
One more time.
I said, what did you want me to tell him again?
Tell that bald motherfucker get out my store before I come over there and beat his ass.
He's certainly not talking about me.
Are you sure this is the right guy?
I don't know.
What was he wearing again?
If he's bald and got a gray shirt on, it's him.
What did you say, green?
Nah, gray.
Who is that? Where is he? Is this him?
Who is that? Is he recording us?
He weigh over 300 pounds?
No, he's not over 300.
Who is that guy?
Who is that
What
guy?
now?
Do you know who that
I
is?
have no idea. I have no idea what you're doing.
I think we might have the wrong guy, I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'd like to, is he the manager?
Yeah, he's the manager.
Yeah, we should talk to him. He shouldn't be talking about anybody like that.
You want me to bring him over here, sir?
Especially to an employee. Yeah, where is he?
I think he's in the back right now. Chris, are you still in the back? Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Yeah, it was aisle 14.
Okay, what was he wearing again?
I think it was a red shirt.
Okay. What did you want me to tell him again? I think my boss wanted to tell you something, sir.
We can't occupy no more elephants in this store.
What?
What did you say?
We can't occupy any more elephants in this store. He's too big.
Are you sure?
What is this?
What did you want me to tell him again? It's my manager.
Tell that bitch get on my store.
Who's your manager?
You just might have to come out here, sir.
Is it Larry?
No, it's not
Get
Larry.
out of my store.
Why?
Why?
Sir, like I said the first time, we cannot occupy your weight capacity.
He's not even that big.
Do you think we got the wrong guy?
I think this might be the wrong guy,
You
sir.
might.
Oh, code red.
Don't have the best cameraman right now, but we're still on the run from Larry right now. That first guy said Larry. Larry's on the lookout. What'd you want me to tell him, Chris? Sorry, sir.
Oh, that old motherfucker. Get out my store.
What'd you say, Chris?
You heard me, dumbass.
What did you say to him?
I said, get that old, wrinkly motherfucker out my store.
What is that?
That's my manager, Chris. What did you say, Chris? I might have to go get my manager, sir.
They spray painted this shit with like that rubber shit.
Look at that big too. What do you think? It is what it is. So it was your brother's worker that are pieces of shit. Oh, that's a duck?
Let's just make it all black.
You drew a dick on my shit. You drew the dick shit.
I drew that one.
Who drew the little one? You're a fucking idiot.
Yeah! 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 Yeah!